In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install the back piece of a UKarbon skin to your HTC One. Making sure your device is clean of any dirt and residue, remove the top piece from the support material and begin aligning it with the edge, the top of the line and the headphone groove. Once you're happy with the alignment, apply pressure to seal the skin to the device. If at any point you're not happy with the overall alignment, it's okay, gently peel it back and try again. Repeat this process with the bottom piece. The next step is to apply the middle section, so to do this, remove the skin from the support material and begin aligning it with the camera, flash and bottom of the line. It should fall into place over the HTC logo, however a slight adjustment may be required. Again, if you're not happy, then simply peel it off and try again, however take special care around the delicate HTC logo cutout.